I really love it. There's like an anime touch and feel to it. Hey guys, I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and this time it's this look. This is a Chinese makeup inspired look. I saw this on a magazine and I thought this is gonna be fun to do. So I played with reds and pinks, but like a fake mole in there. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, it's a little bit edgy, but I think it's still wearable. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, keep watching. 'Cause